Hello friends, welcome to Twincy Study. Here in this video, we are going to tell you how you can fill up the policy detail online and how to download it. Normally, people do not know about the options, so we are going to tell you about that. So guys, here I am selecting the Kotak policy. You can type the URL insurance.kotak.com/kotakwebbi. So here in product category I am choosing traditional plan and the product as Kotak Smart Life plan. So I am clicking on proceed to BI. So within a few seconds the form has been opened up where you can find the insurance name. I am typing the test A. You can type your name here with surname. Name of the proposer will be your name. If you are purchasing the policy for your child, you can type your name and surname. For the backdate policies means if you want that policy to be purchased during the backdate, then you have to pay all the premiums. So gender male and female you can select. Date of birth you can enter as your date, because if you are purchasing the policy for the child, then it will be your, otherwise the insurer only. So channel type will be the insurance agent, corporate agents, brokers, means individual. If you are going for the individual policies or buying online, then you can select individual agent. Put up the agent location and your location. In categories we are having a non-rural, NRI, employee, some of the category, but you can leave it now. Mode of the payment will be the ECS, cash. So after clicking on continue, you have the next page where it describing the policy terms are for 34 years, which is non-changeable, but in some cases we can select the policy terms. Premium paying term will be 12 year, 15 year, that can be as per their plan. Payment mode will be limited, it will be yearly. So option for bonus will be the cash payout every year, or it can be as added to the sum assured every year, and you are paying annually, and you can select the sum assured here like 13.5 or 15 lakh. So guys, once you fill up the detail, you can click on the continue button where you can have the option to choose the riders, but you can skip the detail. If you are choosing this, it will increase your EMI. So let's skip this detail and click on the continue button. It means you have 100% completed your steps, which is base cover 15 lakh of sum assured, 34 year of policy, 12 year term plan, and 146,985 is your EMI. And generate button will generate your PDF and open in the browser, so your policy will look like this. Thanks for watching this video.